Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to rename a document on ClickUp. Maybe you want to make your document more recognizable within your workspace. So today I'm going to show you how to rename a document on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on this three lines icon at top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on Docs. Within this list of documents, choose the one that you want to rename. For example, I want to rename this document, so simply tap on this three dots icon at the right side of the document's name. A menu with various options will appear, and here, tap on this rename option. Now first, delete the current document name, and after that, you can now enter your new desired name. Once you are done typing the new name, tap on the Save button to apply the changes. After that, you now have successfully renamed a document on ClickUp. The document is now updated with the new title, making it easier to find and identify within your workspace. There you go. If you wanted to know how to rename a document on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to rename a document on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.